Hi guys, welcome to my affiliate marketing video. So I thought let me just prepare a short video for you guys where I'll just take you through what is affiliate marketing. So this is just a short video that I thought I'd prepare especially for the beginners. So affiliate marketing is a process of earning a commission when you promote the company's product or services. So basically you will drive a sale to the product or services you will be promoting at the time using the affiliate link that you have acquired from that particular company, right? So I'll take you through the companies that you can promote for now, especially as a beginner. You don't know where to start, but this is the explanation of what is affiliate marketing. So let's talk about the life cycle of affiliate marketing. So what does affiliate marketing entail? So firstly, you will join an affiliate program or a network program. I'll talk to it just now. Once you've joined it, you've acquired the affiliate link, then you'll go ahead and promote the product or service that you want to earn commission from. And you can use different promotion method. It can be organic, method, or it can be paid method. So there are two basically. So one is paid, right? And the second one is organic method. You will choose the one that will work for you. So the next step is, once you've selected the method that you want, it can be Google Ads, Facebook, even YouTube to promote your product. Then you should be able to track as to how is it going, if you're getting any sales. And once you've went through that process and you have a potential buyer that buys through your link, then you should be able to earn a commission. So this is where everyone wants to get to be able to make money. So basically guys, this is the life cycle of an affiliate marketing. You get the affiliate link, you promote the product, you track accordingly, and then you earn your commission. Hopefully it will help you understand what affiliate marketing is all about. So now we're going to talk about affiliate programs. So these are the programs that you should be able to promote as a beginner. So if you are stuck and you don't know exactly which programs to promote, so this will help you and give you an idea. So the first one that I want to talk to you about is Bluehost. So this is a web service a program. So Bluehost has an affiliate program that you can join. As an affiliate marketer, you will be expected to have your own website where you can promote your product. So it will help you basically to even sign up with Bluehost, so you won't be losing anything. You can just join them and promote the service and earn commission while doing that. The next one is bookings.com. So if potential customers book for accommodation using your affiliate link, you should be able to earn a commission. And the third one is GetResponse. This is a platform where you will earn commission while you are also building your email list. So this service will help you, this program will help you to build your email list. The next one is Payoneer. And the fifth one that I want to talk more about is Canva. So as an affiliate marketer, this is very important because you should be able to design your cover page for YouTube, your cover page for Facebook, even your thumbnails. So it depends which method are you going to use to promote your product but this will help you to design your campaigns properly, so that they can entice the potential customers for them to be able to buy into what you're promoting at the time. The next one is Amazon Associate. This is I think we all know this one. You will be able to sell products that are from Amazon and earn a commission in the process. And Udemy, this one, this is where they sell solo ads. Like, there are different people who have signed up. They're providing solo ad services, and they also offer affiliate programs. You can sign up with these programs as a start, and once you've signed up, you should be able to make a commission and also understand what affiliate marketing is all about in the process. So we spoke about the affiliate program. So the next one that I want us to talk about is affiliate networks. So this is ClickBank, Warrior Plus, and JVZoo. So this is where you'll be able to join these networks and sell products that have been created by different vendors. So for Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you must apply for the affiliate link, whereas ClickBank, you can just promote. It's just the products are auto approved. You don't have to apply for approval. But Warrior Plus and JVZoo, you must apply, you must request for approval before you can promote their product. So I suggest, as a beginner, you can start with ClickBank because you don't have to request approval. So I know that Warrior Plus and JVZoo, as a beginner, it becomes challenging. Most vendors, they don't approve links for new beginners. So but the choice will be yours at the end of the day. But these are the affiliate networks. But these are the affiliate networks that you can start with for now. There are other networks out there, but these are the main ones that I'm going to focus on throughout my training. So now you have identified the programs that you can promote and the platform that you can even register with, sign up with for you to be able to promote the products that are selling by other vendors. So now, how do you choose an affiliate program? What is best for you and the one that will work for you? You need to consider the commission rates that you're going to earn from that particular program. If it's Bluehost, check how much commission you're going to earn. If it's Udemy, also check that, and check also if there are any additional fees. Are there any registration fees, like your sign-up fees? Are there any training fees, so that you are not caught off guard? Those are the things that you need to look out for before you sign up for those programs. And check also what are the other charges they are charging you. If for example you sell a product and they say commission, you get 10%, they can say that then 20% belongs to the company, whatever the case might be. You need to also look out for the fine print. The next one is the approval requirements. As I've stated, JVZoo and Warrior Plus, you must request approval before you promote the product, whereas ClickBank works differently. You don't have to request approval. You also need to look at that, and also the product or service. Is it something that you want to promote? ClickBank has a lot of products. It has from a variety, like it's from health to software, so it's a lot. And Warrior Plus and JVZoo, it's informational and digital. So also you need to check what is the niche that you want to get into, and also check if that product or service will work for you, because you must take this as a business, and you need to be able to align and identify with the product and service that you are selling, because you cannot sell something that you don't believe in. So guys, this is the short video that I thought, let me just prepare for you, so that I just explain in a nutshell, on a high level, what is affiliate marketing. And if you can check what is affiliate marketing, and at the top of my video there's a link that you can just go to that talks about how to choose a niche in affiliate marketing. You can also look at that and it will help you to choose the niche that you want to get into too. So but for now guys, hoping this video helped you a lot, and please be on the lookout for more videos concerning affiliate marketing and other online videos. But for now, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and be on the lookout for more videos. And thank you for now. Cheers. Thanks guys.